Remember, we all want real appreciation and praise, but it has to be sincere and genuine. Magnetic presence isn't a personality type, it's a set of choices. The most compelling people aren't born with effortless charm. They've mastered a few simple, intentional habits. Here's what you can start doing today. Respond to compliments with genuine curiosity. Instead of deflecting praise or just saying thanks, ask follow-up questions. What made you notice that?
What made you notice it?
Oh, that's kind of you.
Oh, that's kind of you.
What specifically stood out?
What stood out, Elder?
This makes the compliment giver feel heard and valued, whilst also giving you useful information about your strengths. Be calm when criticized. The fastest way to lose respect is getting visibly annoyed when criticized, or even when someone holds an opinion you disagree with.
I don't agree with you at all.
This suggests emotional volatility and a lack of trust in your own ability to be happy, regardless of what others say or do. Breathe through any resistance and work on this as a habit. Remember one specific thing about each person you meet. Keep it simple, one detail. Have it burn in your mind's eye. This might be their dog's name, the fact that they're renovating their kitchen, or that they mentioned loving horror films. Next time you see them, casually reference it like a memory wizard.
I can't believe you remembered my dog's name.
This takes minimal effort, but makes people feel genuinely remembered, rather than just recognized. Withhold your approval strategically. Don't disagree with everything.
Sort of disagreed with you.
But don't nod like a gregarious donkey either. Show interest in different perspectives slowly, without immediately jumping to agreement. When you do compliment someone or support their idea, it feels earned rather than automatic.
In fact, I authorize and support your idea, Riker.
Ask about the story behind things. Instead of just complimenting someone's watch, ask, is there a story behind that watch?
I like your watch.
Thank you.
Instead of nice haircut, say what made you decide to change your hair.
Changed your hair.
What?
People love sharing the background of their choices. It makes them feel seen, and your interest in going deeper feels like a genuine interest. Be interested, even if you're not. They say it's better to be interested rather than trying to be interesting.
You are a very interesting person.
People are rather self-conscious, so when you flip the script and stop trying to be impressive, this gets noticed. Take an interest, ask follow-up questions. People will love that about you because you made it about them. Reveal personal information at unexpected moments. Drop personal details about yourself when people least expect it. A childhood memory during a work discussion, or a unique persona preference when talking about something mundane like shopping. This unpredictable intimacy makes others feel like they're getting exclusive access to who you really are. This works well in your writing too. In conversations whilst you're still enjoying them. Don't wait for energy to drain naturally. Wrap up when things are still flowing. I should let you go, but I've really enjoyed this.
I should leave. I should go.
People remember you fondly because you never made them feel trapped or drained, and their most recent memory of you is now highly positive. Stay genuinely unimpressed by obvious status symbols. Respond to expensive cars and designer clothes with the same casual energy you'd bring to discussing the weather. This indifference makes status-conscious people work harder to earn your interest through actual substance rather than shallow symbols. State differing opinions without trying to change minds. State your view clearly, explain your reasoning, then show genuine interest in their perspective without needing to convert them. And do not engage in any argument. That's just energy wasted, and it makes you look insecure. Being willing to disagree without arguing makes people feel intellectually respected rather than intellectually threatened. None of this requires changing your personality or becoming someone you're not. You're simply being more intentional about how you engage with others. Most people scatter their attention and approval randomly, hoping to be liked by everyone. But when you're slightly more selective with your energy, it becomes more valuable. You already have everything you need to be the person others gravitate toward. If you enjoyed this, you can like, subscribe, and hype the video. Thank you for watching.